we are introduce highlight features or overview summary of Noaln 2024 binding machine spiral coil binder. The following is highlight features or overview summary, that's include multiple bindings in one machine. Noaln electric coil inserter helps to create professional looking bound books in the office or at home quickly and easily. Its vibrant Christmas red look can be adapted to any home style for a touch of style and luxury. Make documents, contracts, materials/assignments, teaching books, picture books/diary, travel tips/notebooks, photo albums, recipes, and more. It can also be a practical and educational gift. Beginner-friendly and great value for money. Manual punching and binding operation only need 2 steps. Curved punching handle, easy to press. Sturdy metal construction, non-slip feet, and easy to use. Upgraded carbon steel blade, free of burrs and edges. Our spiral coil binding machine also comes with 100 pieces of free 5/16" black PVC coil spines kit and coil crimper pliers, no need to buy separately. It is an excellent choice for any school or office, business program. Suitable for multiple paper sizes. This upgraded coil binding machine is suitable for letter size, 42 holes, A4 size, 46 holes, A5 size, 33 holes. Its adjustable edge guide can enhance accuracy edge guide from 2.5 to 6.5 mm for pinpoint punching. Adjustments can be made with ease. Max binding capacity, 500 sheets, paper thickness, 80 grams, less than or equal to 20 pound, paper. Max punch capacity, 12 sheets, 80 gram, less than or equal to 20 pound, paper, per manual punch. Note, if you use paper of other thickness, please reduce the paper according to the actual situation. And the next highlight features by recommend new products releases update all day channel will introduce is, say goodbye to mess. Noaln 46-hole binding machine can quickly categorize all kinds of documents, reduces mess and inefficiencies by making your own books, and also saves money on stationery, making it a must-have goodie for home and work. Tips: this binding machine comes with oiled cutting blade for protecting the punch die away from rusting. To avoid staining on the important document, please use oiled removing paper, enclosed, to punch first in order to clean up the blades. If you want to get full features or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. You can press to subscribe, press the bell to get instant notifications of all future uploads. Thank you and see you next video.